Was Karan truly a hero, a tragic victim of fate, or both? Karan, the Forgotten Prince, an epic tale of loyalty, fate, and inner conflict. Long before the war of Kurukshetra, in the palace of Hastinapur, a young and unwed Princess Kunti was granted a boon by sage Durvasa to invoke any god and bear a child blessed by them. Curious and naive, Kunti invoked Surya, the sun god. A radiant being appeared and placed a divine child in her arms, golden skinned, armored at birth, and with earrings fused to his ears. But fear gripped Kunti's heart. She wasn't married. What would the world say? With trembling hands and tearful eyes, she placed the newborn in a basket and let the river carry him away, not knowing she had just abandoned her firstborn. The child floated downstream until a humble charioteer named Adhirath and his wife Radha discovered him. Though poor, they raised him with love and named him Karan. Karan grew up strong, kind, and gifted in archery, but the world never let him forget his lowly birth. He was mocked by princes, barred from competitions, and told he was unworthy despite his talent. But Karan never gave up. He dreamed of becoming the greatest warrior in the world. Denied admission by Guru Dronacharya due to his caste, Karan approached the legendary warrior Parshuram, disguising himself as a Brahmin to learn from him. Parshuram was impressed and trained Karan in secret arts of warfare. But one day, while resting on Karan's lap, a scorpion stung the boy. Karan bore the pain silently, not wanting to disturb his master. When Parshuram awoke and saw the blood, he realized that no Brahmin could bear such pain. Enraged by the lie, he cursed Karan. When you need your skills the most, they shall fail you. Another curse followed when Karan accidentally killed a Brahmin's cow. The Brahmin cursed him again. Your chariot wheels shall sink in the earth during battle, and you will feel helpless. Karan's fate was being sealed by curses, step by tragic step. Karan's life changed when he had challenged Arjuna at a royal competition. The Kuru princes mocked his status, denying him a chance to compete. But Duryodhan, prince of the Kauravas, saw greatness in Karan. He defied the elders and crowned Karan the king of Ang, making him a prince at last. From that day, Karan pledged his loyalty to Duryodhan, not for power but for friendship. You gave me honor when the world gave me shame. My life is yours. Their bond would one day lead to war. Years later, when the great war of Kurukshetra loomed, Kunti found her son and revealed the truth. He was her firstborn, the eldest Pandav, the brother of those he was about to fight. Karan's world shattered. He had longed for royalty, for identity, for family, and now he had all three but far too late. Kunti begged him to switch sides. Karan refused. I was born a Pandav by blood, but raised a charioteer by fate, and made a prince by Duryodhan's grace. I cannot betray the hand that lifted me. Still, he promised Kunti, I'll not kill your other sons except Arjun. Either he or I must fall. On the battlefield, Karan fought like the sun himself, dazzling, radiant, merciless to his enemies, yet noble in heart. But fate is cruel to those born great, but outside the walls of power. At the crucial moment, his chariot wheel did get stuck. As he tried to free it, Arjun aimed an arrow. Karan pleaded for a fair fight. Let me lift the wheel, I have no weapon in hand. But Krishna urged Arjun to strike, reminding him the unjust killing of Abhimanyu. And so Arjuna killed Karan, helpless and unarmed. As Karan lay dying, the heavens wept. The Pandavas later learned the truth of his birth. Yudhishthira was devastated, knowing he had fought his own elder brother. In honor of Karan, the Pandavas lit a lamp each night for the noblest soul who stood alone, choosing dharma over comfort and friendship over blood. He was the forgotten prince, the true son of the sun, and perhaps the greatest tragedy of the Mahabharata. Karan's life teaches us that greatness can rise from the humblest origins, But loyalty, honor, and fate often clash in ways that break even the strongest. Despite being wronged by the world, he never let bitterness define him, and that's what makes him unforgettable.
If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And for more stories like this, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one with another twist, another tale, and another truth. Bye bye, see you very soon.